Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler, filming for the OBX wave report here at Frisco as some 2 to 3 foot waves, possibly 2 to 4 foot waves on the larger sets. Below in here at Frisco, we're a little blown out, but there's a bit of a swell wrapping around on occasion and pumping up the surf a little bit down here. Definitely some rideable conditions, although kind of depends. At the edge, perhaps, of rideable. 2 surfers out in the water right now, and you can see those strong winds coming in from the north and northwest, blowing it off the tops of the waves. All right, so let's get down to some of the local wave observations. Right now, we've got 4 to 6 foot plus conditions at Nag's Head with choppy waves. Northeast swell at 7 foot and 9 seconds. North winds at 20 miles per hour. Air temperature 71 degrees, ocean water temperatures 71. Further to the north in Virginia Beach, we've got 3 to 5 foot waves and choppy conditions. And then down in Rodanthe, 4 to 7 footers with choppy conditions. Northeast swell at 7.7 foot and 9 seconds. North winds at 22 miles per hour. Air temperatures 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 73. And at Buxton, 4 to 6 foot waves and choppy conditions. Northeast swell at 7.6 foot and 9 seconds. North winds at 20 miles per hour. Air temperature 71 degrees. Ocean water temperature 74. And last of all, here in Frisco, officially 3 to 4 foot waves. And it says fairly clean. I'd say semi-clean, semi-choppy, with some side shore texture here with some of the waves. Okay, from the National Hurricane Center, we are tracking Tropical Storm Felipe at 50 miles per hour, moving to the west at 7, still to the east of the Windward and Leeward Islands, being massively inhibited by wind shear. The storm is expected to turn northwest, then be near Bermuda, possibly at hurricane strength by Thursday through Saturday. So we'll have to keep an eye on Felipe. And then Rena right now getting blown out by wind shear, 40 mile per hour. Tropical storm well northeast of the Leeward Islands, also north and east of Felipe, moving toward the northwest at 14 miles per hour and is expected to dissipate in the next 48 hours as wind shear chops it. And last of all, we have a gale off the U.S. East Coast, which has brought nor'easter-like conditions here to the Outer Banks over the past week and is expected to steadily move offshore over the coming days. All right, so thank you for joining me for this Sunday session of the OBX Wave Report. I'm going to get out there and try and catch some waves. We'll see what we can catch. At the very least, there might be some shore break. Nonetheless, as I said to some of my friends, waves are definitely better than Garden City Beach, so still some waves to be had out here at Frisco, although certainly not ideal conditions anywhere on the Outer Banks today. All right, so thank you for joining me once again.